guys, welcome back to my channel Aksharasepicure. I hope you guys are safe at your places. Please do not go outside until and unless it is necessary. So today's recipe is about buttermilk curry. It is also called as Moru curry in Malayalam. Without any delay, let's get started.
So here I have taken 250 to 300 ml of buttermilk, 1 medium size onion, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 of hing, 2 red chillies, half a teaspoon of mustard and jeera, 1/4 of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of salt. Here I have taken 3 garlic and small piece of ginger. Guys, it should be cooked only on medium flame. Guys, when you're preparing it for the first time, make sure that you turn off the flame and then add the buttermilk, or else the buttermilk would break. I hope you loved watching this video. Please do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.